There are little-known truths about aging that most people over 75 will never hear. Truths that have nothing to do with workouts, supplements, or expensive treatments. I am talking about what happens inside your body while you sleep. Many older adults believe muscle loss happens during the day, but new research has revealed something far more surprising. The real damage occurs quietly at night. During sleep, your body does not just rest, it rebuilds itself. Yet if you do not provide the right nutrients before bedtime, this rebuilding process can turn in the wrong direction. Instead of repairing your muscles, your body starts breaking them down for energy. The good news is that scientists have now identified 5 powerful bedtime foods that can completely reverse this process and help restore strength in your legs even after 75. In this video, you will discover the 5 superfoods that can rebuild weak muscles while you sleep. Stay tuned because number 2 is the most impressive of all. It comes from a traditional food used in Asia that can renew leg strength by up to 99%. Before we start, here is a simple question. Where are you watching from? We read every comment, and your story could inspire another viewer to regain their strength tonight. Now let us begin with number 5. Food number 5 is black garlic. This is not ordinary garlic from the market. Black garlic is made when fresh garlic is aged for weeks at controlled heat, turning it black and giving it a soft, sweet flavor that tastes more like dried fruit than sharp, raw garlic. During this aging process, new nutrients are formed, especially a compound that boosts muscle protein production by over 30% when taken before bed, according to recent studies. Black garlic is gentler on the stomach because the strong sulfur compounds of raw garlic are broken down and replaced by special antioxidants that your body absorbs more easily during sleep. These antioxidants target muscle inflammation that develops overnight and protect muscle fibers from damage. Eating 2 or 3 cloves of black garlic about half an hour before bedtime can help your muscles recover faster while you sleep. Chew them slowly to activate their enzymes. The texture is soft and chewy like a fig, and the flavor is sweet, tangy, and slightly smoky. People who use black garlic nightly often report stronger legs and better balance within a few weeks. The timing is very important. Eating it too early causes the active compounds to peak before deep sleep begins. You can buy black garlic at health food stores or online. It costs more than normal garlic, but a small amount is enough because the nutrients are concentrated. Some people try to make it at home, but the professional process requires precise humidity and temperature to create the correct compounds. Another secret is that black garlic naturally contains melatonin, which helps you fall asleep and enhances muscle recovery during deep sleep. In countries where black garlic has been used for generations, older adults who eat it regularly maintain their strength and mobility well into old age. But if you think black garlic is powerful, wait until you learn about the next food known as the ocean's hidden treasure. Food number 4 is sea buckthorn berries. These bright orange berries grow in the cold mountains of Asia and Eastern Europe, and they contain the highest amount of leucine found in any plant. Leucine is the key amino acid that triggers muscle growth in older adults. Sea buckthorn is also the only plant known to contain all 4 types of omega fatty acids in perfect balance. Omega-3, 6, 7, and 9 work together to repair and rebuild muscle cells overnight. Omega-7 in particular increases how well your muscles use protein by up to 60%. The berries also provide fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K in natural ratios that your body can easily use while you sleep. They contain 12 times more vitamin C than oranges, and this form of vitamin C stays active in your system longer, providing protection to your muscles all night. Even astronauts have used these berries because they prevent muscle loss in low gravity. To use them for muscle recovery, eat about 2 tablespoons of frozen berries 45 minutes before bed, letting them melt slowly in your mouth to release their oils. The flavor is sharp and tart, similar to passion fruit and orange peel. You can also take 1 teaspoon of sea buckthorn oil instead, which has the same benefits in a smaller dose. The nutrients start working after about 45 minutes, which matches your first deep sleep cycle when your body produces growth hormone. These berries are a complete protein source and are especially valuable for seniors who do not digest meat as well as before. In traditional cultures, older people who ate them regularly kept their strength even in harsh conditions. You can find frozen berries or oil in health stores or online. Now let us move to food number 3. Sacha Inchi seeds, also called the star seed of the Amazon. These seeds have the highest natural source of tryptophan known in any plant. Tryptophan is not only important for sleep, but it also supports serotonin and melatonin production, which regulate recovery during deep sleep. Sacha Inchi seeds are about half protein and contain all essential amino acids your muscles need. They are also rich in plant omega-3 fats that convert to the same healthy oils found in fish. 1 handful provides more omega-3s than a serving of salmon. What makes these seeds truly unique is that they contain natural plant compounds that gently raise testosterone during sleep, which greatly enhances muscle repair in people over 75. The people of the Amazon have eaten these seeds for thousands of years, noticing how they maintain strength well into old age. The best way to eat them is roasted because raw seeds contain anti-nutrients that block protein absorption. Eat about 1 ounce about half an hour before bed. The taste is like roasted peanuts with a light earthy flavor, and the crunch makes them enjoyable as a bedtime snack. Studies show that older adults who ate these seeds daily for several months gained lean muscle and lost fat without changing their exercise. The seeds also have a powerful form of vitamin E that protects muscle cells from aging damage. You can buy them or their oil online or in health shops, and a small bag will last a month. Food number 2 is moringa leaves. Known as the miracle tree, this plant is famous in tropical regions for keeping people strong and healthy into their later years. Moringa leaves contain all 9 essential amino acids and are extremely rich in iron, which helps deliver oxygen to muscles during sleep. The leaves also hold special plant compounds that switch on genes that promote muscle repair overnight. Moringa naturally provides calcium and magnesium in the ideal 2-to-1 ratio that prevents muscle cramps and supports relaxation during rest. The protein in moringa is high in branched-chain amino acids, especially leucine, which is vital for turning off muscle breakdown and starting new growth. Studies show that older people who consumed moringa before bed experienced noticeably less muscle loss over several years, and many reported better energy and mobility within weeks. The best way to use moringa is to eat 1 cup of fresh leaves about 45 minutes before bed, either raw in a salad or lightly steamed for 2 minutes. The flavor is slightly peppery and nutty. If you cannot find fresh leaves, use 2 teaspoons of moringa powder in warm water or plant milk, though fresh is always stronger. Eat it at least 45 minutes before bed, since it can also give a mild energy boost if taken too late. Moringa leaves also reduce nighttime inflammation that contributes to age-related weakness. You can sometimes find them in international grocery stores or grow a small plant at home. And finally, food number 1, quail eggs. These tiny eggs, no larger than grapes, can rebuild muscle faster than any other bedtime food. They contain a unique form of protein found only in quail eggs that dramatically increases muscle protein synthesis when eaten before sleep. They are also the richest natural source of vitamin B12, which is essential for muscle and nerve function. Many seniors are deficient in this vitamin without realizing it. The cholesterol in quail eggs is the healthy kind that helps your body create growth hormones during sleep. Each egg contains all essential amino acids in perfect balance and in a small enough package for quick digestion and complete absorption overnight. The yolk also holds natural compounds that boost muscle growth signals while you rest. People in Asia have eaten raw or soft-boiled quail eggs for generations, and researchers have found they maintain excellent muscle tone even into very old age. The best way to eat them is soft-boiled for about 2.5 minutes so the yolk stays runny. Eat 5 or 6 eggs about 20 minutes before bed. The taste is rich, creamy, and slightly sweet, and the eggs are gentle on digestion. They are easier to absorb than chicken eggs and rarely cause discomfort. In studies, people who ate quail eggs nightly for several months improved muscle strength, walking speed, and even mental clarity. You can find them in specialty or farmers markets. Timing is important. Eat them close enough to bedtime for their nutrients to work during your peak repair phase, but not too late to avoid heaviness. These 5 foods, when eaten before sleep, can gradually reverse years of muscle loss and weakness. Start with one and add another each week so your body receives a variety of nutrients. Consistency is key. Occasional use will not show much change, but making this a nightly habit can transform your strength, balance, and independence in ways that will surprise even your doctor. If this information opened your eyes to the power of nighttime nutrition, make sure to subscribe for more simple science-based tips that help seniors stay strong and active naturally. Thank you for watching and take care of your health tonight.